Urban flooding. It's one of the world's greatest environmental issues. Urban sprawl, coupled with intense rainfall bursts, mean that drains and rivers just can't cope. Governments across the globe are committed to combating this. This process is called water attenuation, and we have a range of products called Aquaten designed to combat this. UK legislation means that any new project or even significant renovation has to restrict rainfall discharge volume. DEFRA has set national standards that state that developers are simply not allowed to let rainfall from new buildings pour into sewers. New hard surfaces don't intercept rain. Water simply pours off and overwhelms the drainage system. And this gets worse the more intensive developments are. We have developed and patented a range of highly effective, low-cost water attenuation products under the brand name Aquaten.
I've been involved in the green roof and water management industry for over 30 years. I've installed thousands of green roofs across the UK. I'm also a founder member of the Green Roof organisation that sets national standards. All cities throughout the world have one thing in common: an abundance of hard surfaces such as roofs and pavements. If you poured a glass of water onto your lawn at home, it would soak away. If you poured the same glass of water onto your coffee table, it would make a mess. And that's what's happening on rooftops every time it rains. The increased amount of rainfall that we experience is creating more and more problems and strain on sewers, rivers and drains. We're convinced that we should trap this rainfall at roof level where it first hits. And we've developed a range of products from these fibres that are both highly effective and absorbent and can combat this problem. And they're all made from the core material called Aquaten. When I first saw Aquaten, the simple explanation given to me was that it turns water into jelly. Its absorbency is phenomenal. Uniquely, we've converted this fibre into a range of fabrics for use in rainfall attenuation on rooftops and all areas where attenuation is required. That's why this product is so special. It's not a sponge where water could just run out. Aquaten fabrics lock water in. All of our products have been thoroughly tested by our research partners at Birmingham, Warwick and Coventry universities, and we're continuing to work together on new and exciting innovations.
Not surprisingly, most people haven't heard of the green roof market, but it's big. Research shows that the global market will be $5 billion in 2017, and the total roofing market will be even larger. We have a worldwide exclusive license for Aquaten in these markets, and we have a worldwide patent for Lite Panel. Our conservative forecasts for the UK are based on sales of 9 million a year in year 3. In addition to these forecasts, we are proactively seeking overseas licensees to take advantage of the massive markets in North America, Europe and Asia. Our route to market in the UK is already well established and operational. We have distributor agreements in place and, as members of the NFRC and GROW, we have access to over 70% of the UK roofing market. We're also working closely with the European Federation of Green Roof Organisations. So for this stage of the company's evolution, you can see that we're in a great position to take advantage of this market opportunity.
So let's recap. Flooding is a serious issue worldwide. We have a range of patented solutions to combat this problem. We have an established route to market, we have existing customers. We're looking for an investment of £105,000 for 16% of the equity of the business. This is based on an independent valuation by external accountants. These investments will qualify for a 50% tax rebate under the HMRC SEIS scheme.